Hey guys, what's up? This is Apple Investigator here, and today I'll be bringing you an unboxing of the Apple Wireless Bluetooth keyboard. So around the box it just says wireless keyboard on the side, and we've also got an Apple logo on one of the ends. I'll get my unboxing knife into this thing so we can slit this open and tear off the shrink wrap. I will do just so. This keyboard retails for $69 by the way, and I've heard great reviews about this, so I figured I'd pick one up. Alright, so let's slide open the box here. And underneath, we can see that the keyboard is revealed. So I'm just going to get the keyboard out of the box for a second here. Set that aside. We've got some information about the keyboard. A little bit of a information guide, probably how to pair it up with your computer, how to use the Bluetooth functionality with this thing, because that's the only way you can in fact use it. We've also got some information about the 1-year warranty and some disclaimer stuff. So I'll peel off this plastic now and we'll take a closer look. So you guys can see there the beautiful chiclet style keys, and these keys on this keyboard are extremely light and they're comfortable for your hands to be typing on, so an extended use of time will not be a problem. On the back, we've got this little bit of a white glossy type finish. This blends in with the silver unibody construction. There you can see its extremely thin profile there. Sits up on a nice angle from the ground there, as you can see. And it's a sleek looking thing that will sit on your desk. On the keyboard itself, we've got some nice dedicated buttons, like your volume control for your media. You've got your play and pause buttons. This is great stuff that they've built into this. You've also got some brightness control and expose control and launchpad. There you can see the Apple Magic Trackpad, and it sits exactly flush with the keyboard. On the left hand side there, you've got your battery compartment. The battery is supposedly supposed to last 9 months with regular use. This just takes 2 AA batteries, and you just unscrew that little silver dial there on the end and pop in your 2 batteries. So guys, that pretty much brings me to an end of my Apple wireless Bluetooth keyboard unboxing video. If you enjoyed this content, please drop a like down below and subscribe for many more videos coming in the very near future. Hope you guys have a safe and happy holidays, and we'll see you guys in the next one.